Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Marichelle R. Miranda. I am 23 years old. I am married, and I have one kid. I am high school graduate. I had experience here in Philippines as domestic helper in Philippines.
Okay, how many years?
2 years and 3 months, sir.
2 years and 3 months.
Yes, sir.
How many family members they have?
I had madam, sir, and 2 kids, sir.
Okay, there are 4.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the age of their kids?
The one, sir, is 4 years old, and the baby is 8 months, sir.
8 months. And
Yes,
you're
sir.
the one taking care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
Your madam was working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me your other duties?
My duties are cleaning, marketing, cooking, washing, and ironing the clothes, take care of the baby and the dogs, and tutoring the children, sir.
And how many dogs they have?
1, sir.
1, small or big dog?
Big, sir.
Big dog.
Yes, sir.
So you're not scared of big dogs?
No, sir.
And will you be willing to take care of dogs and cats in Hong Kong?
I am willing, sir.
Okay. And you said that you have 1 kid,
Yes, sir.
son or daughter?
Son, sir.
How old?
5 years old, sir.
And who will take care of your son when
My
you work in Hong
husband
Kong?
and my mother, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, sir, because I want to earn money and help my family.
Okay. And can you sing one children's song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, my eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes.
And what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, sir, ma'am. Please hire me as your employee because I am honest and hardworking. I able to communicate very well, and I follow order. I follow order and instruction easily.
Thank you very much, Miss Marichelle Miranda, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day. Bye.